Have you ever felt like you were standing still while the world was moving around you? Like everyone else seems to have their life figured out, but you are the only one who feels confused, unsure, and without direction? This feeling is more common than you might think, and it's often described as being lost or stuck. Many people, at some point in their lives, feel like they don't know what to do next. Maybe you've been working hard but feel like nothing is changing. Maybe you're trying to move forward but can't seem to find the right path. Or maybe you're just tired, emotionally and mentally, and you don't even know why. These moments can be scary, frustrating, and lonely, but they can also be important. They can help you pause, reflect, and make changes that bring you closer to the life you truly want. When you feel lost, it's often because your inner world is changing, even if your outer world hasn't caught up yet. Something inside of you might be calling for growth, for a different path, or for a deeper connection to yourself. The first thing to do when you feel this way is not to panic. Don't rush to fix everything right away. Give yourself space to just be. It's okay not to have all the answers. It's okay to feel uncertain. Sometimes, not knowing is the first step to finding something new. During this time, try to slow down. Take time to understand your feelings. Are you tired? Are you sad? Are you bored or unfulfilled? Are you doing things you don't enjoy anymore? These questions might not have simple answers, but asking them helps you become more aware of your emotional state. Awareness is the first step to change. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. You might not see everything clearly at first, but you can begin to notice what's around you. Once you understand how you feel, try to accept it without judgment. Don't tell yourself you are weak or a failure. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has moments when they struggle. These moments do not make you less valuable or less capable. In fact, they are part of being human. And often, the people who grow the most are the ones who face these hard moments and find their way through them. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do to move forward when you feel lost or stuck. One helpful thing is to reconnect with yourself. Life is busy, and sometimes we lose touch with who we really are. Think about the things that used to bring you joy. Think about the moments when you felt most alive. What were you doing? Who were you with? What made those times special? Sometimes going back to those memories can remind you of what really matters to you. If you used to love painting, reading, writing, or spending time in nature, try doing those things again. They may not solve everything, but they can help you feel more like yourself. Another helpful practice is journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can be powerful. It allows you to express yourself without fear or pressure. You don't need to write perfectly. Just write honestly. Write about what's on your mind, what's hurting you, what you dream about, or what you're afraid of. Over time, your journal can become a mirror that helps you understand yourself better. It can show patterns in your thinking and reveal what's really going on inside. When you write, you might begin to see ideas or feelings you didn't notice before. That clarity can help you make decisions and take steps forward. It's also important to talk to someone. You don't have to carry everything alone. Find someone you trust, a friend, a family member, a teacher, or even a therapist, and share your thoughts. Sometimes, saying things out loud helps us see them more clearly. Other people can also offer support, advice, or simply listen. Just knowing that someone understands can make a big difference. You might even find that they have gone through similar feelings and can share what helped them. If talking feels hard, start small. You can even write a message or a letter. What matters is that you begin to open up and let others in. You are not meant to go through life alone. While working through these emotions, it's important to take care of your body as well. Physical health and mental health are connected. When you feel lost, your energy may be low and your body may feel heavy. Try to create simple routines that help you feel better. Eat foods that nourish you. Drink enough water. Get some fresh air. Try to move your body every day, even if it's just a walk around the block. Physical movement can help release stress and bring more clarity to your mind. Sleep is also important. Give yourself enough rest. Sometimes, just getting enough sleep can improve your mood and help you see things more clearly. Once you begin to feel a little better physically and emotionally, you can start to think about small changes. You don't need to make a big life decision right away. Start with something simple. Make a list of things you'd like to try, even if they seem small or silly. Maybe you want to take a class, try a new hobby, visit a new place, or meet new people. Maybe you want to change your routine, wake up earlier, or spend less time on social media. Choose one thing and try it. Small actions can lead to big changes over time. They show you that you have control, that you can choose, and that you are not stuck forever. As you take small steps, you might discover new interests or strengths. You might meet people who inspire you. You might find yourself thinking differently. This is the beginning of change. Sometimes we feel stuck because we are afraid to leave our comfort zone. But growth often happens when we try something new. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. Every step is progress. Even if you don't know exactly where you're going, just moving forward helps. You can always change direction later. What matters most is that you keep going. Another thing to remember is that your worth is not based on your productivity or your achievements. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to do everything. You are enough just as you are. When you feel stuck, it's easy to forget this. You might think you need to fix yourself or do something amazing to be valuable. But that's not true. Your value comes from who you are, not what you do. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself like you would treat a close friend who is going through a hard time. Speak to yourself with compassion. Celebrate small wins. Be patient. Healing and change take time. And that's okay. One more important point. Don't ignore your dreams. When life gets hard, we sometimes give up on what we really want. We tell ourselves it's not possible, or it's too late. But your dreams matter. They are a part of you. Even if you can't follow them fully right now, don't let them disappear. Keep them in your heart. Take small steps toward them when you can. Every little step counts. And over time, you might find yourself closer than you ever imagined. Finally, remember that you are not alone. There are millions of people who feel lost or stuck right now. You are not strange. You are not broken. You are simply in a moment of transition. This moment can be the start of something beautiful. It can lead you to new paths, new people, and a new understanding of yourself. So if you are feeling lost today, take a deep breath. You are okay. You are doing your best. And even if you can't see the whole road ahead, just take the next step. Trust that things will change. Trust that you will find your way. One step at a time, you will move forward. You will grow. You will heal. And one day, you will look back and see that this moment of feeling stuck was actually the beginning of something better than you ever imagined.